Now that you've done over 40 flips, right? What items should you upgrade, update to get best return on investment?
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
The kitchen is the most important thing. I have had people walk in, couples, and they walk in, they're like, they got the living room, doing all the things. They walk in the kitchen, they're like a moth to a flame. And they're sold. They love kitchens, man. The kitchen and the bathrooms are the most important. Size of a room, man, you can change with your brother or sister. But bathrooms are everything. I now know when it comes to master suites, we make sure we put dual vanities in every master suite. I didn't. I used to put one vanity because $800. My wife and I, we don't like sharing. Well, she has her own stuff, craziness over there, and I have my stuff over here. You learn that when you sign a house. Well, look at that. They don't want to share a vanity 28 inches. They want a 48, 60-inch dual vanity. I mean, these are things I learned doing this stuff, but if you start off putting good stuff together, you'll get higher prices, obviously. Kitchen is number one, bathroom number two. After that, of course, you want square footage and functionality, but those are the two most important things. I highly suggest you guys try the BRRRR method because that's the safest, cheapest way to do this. If you're feeling pretty gung-ho and you have enough money from someone or you have a partner, get a hard money loan. I'll never forget the first hard money loan I got, 13% interest I paid, but I made $100,000. So I paid all the money back that I owed. After everything, my profit was over $103,000.